Welcome back, campers, to Nature Week. Today we are going to do our leaf picture frame art, which is item number 2 on your disc kit. Includes paper. You'll need a black construction paper and a white piece of paper. So first thing you're going to have to do is go outside and find a handful of leaves. I would say about 4 leaves, and then you're going to place them down. Any kind of leaf, doesn't matter what it looks like. Place them down on the table like so. I'm going to use 4 and a possible 5. Put your white paper, and if the leaves are wet, sometimes they get wet, you just dry them off. Okay, and you're going to place your white paper down like so and get crayons. Doesn't matter which colors you use. So we're making is a picture frame that you are going to eventually post on your wall as decor in your room. Okay, so I'm actually going to use 3 colors. Not blank, sorry. 3 light colors, beautiful colors, to represent these leaves. And then you're just gonna color over the leaves. Press down. You see? And you can switch up the color halfway through. Put that leaf back up under there. Let's see. Make sure you're holding it down so the leaves are not moving. And if you want to reposition them, that's fine. Make more. Just gonna move these and make a few more shadings. And then once you are finished, I'll make one more down here. Blue. Looks like that. And it comes out really nice if you all see all of the leaves. Then you're going to take your white piece of paper and cut around the edges. All right, so you're going to cut off the edges because we're going to make a picture frame. Okay, so anything that you didn't color, just cut it off. And then your black paper, this is beautiful. You're going to glue this down on your black paper to make a picture frame. Like so, and then you are going to post it, and then I'll show you another example of one that Mrs. Coleman did. And this is another one of our beautiful leaf art. So hopefully you enjoyed yourself, campers, and I'll see you next time.